Okay, this is Eddie at Fast Eddie Sports. I'm going to try and show you what I've done for mounting the Drag Specialties Tach. Now with a plug-and-play connector, so you can plug it right into the stock system. They come with a bracket so you can mount it on your handlebar. That gets removed, the first nut. The second nut here holds it inside the case. So there's the mount that it either goes for the clock or the tach. Now, as you can see, what I've done, I took a Dremel tool and bored that out after measuring the distance between the center point here and the bolt, and I laid it down on the back side so that I get my center and then drill down. But you got to be careful because this is ABS plastic, though it's stiff and you'll be doing it over by the frame. Still be careful. A drill is better so you can match, but I was just trying to, and then I elongated it kind of like that, just so that there was room to turn it in case you got your thing out of horizon. So next video coming up, I'll mount it.